Welcome back guys. Today's video is going to be a huge Amazon haul and unboxing video. So let's start. The first product is this beautiful mesh fabric table placemats which has these beautiful shades, and the pattern and color combination is so good that it looks a classic piece. It has come in a pack of 6. The next item is this watch box which has the 10 watches slot, so easily you can keep all your watches together and wear as and when you want. This box is quite sturdy and looks good too. The third item is these battery operated candles which has come in a pack of 24. It's quite useful in any festive decor and celebrations. The fourth item is this stunning mini plant holder which has these unique style of pots. It has come with a wooden stand to hold these tiny pots. I'm sure it is going to look elegant and will enhance the beauty of a place. Isn't this look so cute? Let's move to another item which is a night lamp. It has these beautiful white roses. It can be kept as a decor piece in daytime, then works as a lamp in night. Now the next product is this fake planter. I also have these 2 fake hanging planters. Next item is the acrylic makeup holder. It can be placed at countertop. The number of beauty products can be kept and will be functional too. Let's move to the another box and check what it has inside. So the first item is this beautiful gray color tablecloth which has these tassels and check pattern. It's quite heavy in weight and made of cotton fabric. Next item is this small size window curtain. It has come in a cream shade and has a very nice pattern on it. I also have these 4-pack of washcloth. Next is this bright colorful shower curtain. The another product is this storage bag which has come in a pack of 2. It is designed to keep the storage under bed. Next is this must-have garlic masher, so easily you can crush the garlic in no time. Another product is a very cool and useful item. It is an oral irrigator which normally is being used by the dentist when you go for routine cleaning. So when I found this gadget at Amazon, I thought let's give it a try and see how it works. Next product is this rose gold color battery operated lighter which is quite sleek in size compared to original one. It works like magic. It comes with a USB charge cable. Moving to the next item is this jade roller. It is a great Chinese massage tool to enhance your beauty and pamper your skin. That's all guys. If you want to buy any of these items, link will be given in description box. Do check out. If you like my efforts even a bit, then press the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching.